Now 8th sum of trigonometry. In a triangle ABC, write cos B plus C by 2 in terms of angle A. Okay, we know that sum of the angles is 180 degree. A plus B plus C is equals to 180 degree. We can write B plus C is equals to 180 minus A. Now we have to take cos on both sides. Okay, cos B plus C is equals to cos 180 minus A. Here cos is given, that's why we have to take here cos. Now dividing 2 on both sides. Okay, cos B plus C by 2 is equals to cos 180 minus A by 2. Okay, we can take this 180 minus A by 2 as 180 by 2 minus A by 2. We can take this also as cos B by 2 plus C by 2. But the answer will be the same, cos B plus C by 2 is equals to cos. Here we have to cancel this 2 1s are 2 9s are 18, 90. Cos 90 minus A by 2. Okay, now cos 90 minus theta is equals to sin theta. Okay, what is the theta here? Theta is A by 2. Okay, now we can write this as cos B plus C by 2 is equals to sin A by 2. Sin theta means sin A by 2. Here we got the answer in terms of angle A. Okay, now 9th one. If sin alpha is equals to 1 by 2, cos beta is equals to 1 by 2, find alpha plus beta. Okay, here given is sin alpha is equals to 1 by 2, cos beta is equals to 1 by 2. Instead of alpha, if we are taking 30, what is the answer? Sin 30 is 1 by 2. Instead of beta, if we are taking 60, what is cos 60? It is 1 by 2. So alpha is 30, beta is 60. Okay, what is 30 plus 60? It is 90. Okay, we know here sin 30 is equals to 1 by 2 and cos 60 is equals to 1 by 2. Now 10th sum. Solve cos theta by 1 minus sin theta plus cos theta by 1 plus sin theta is equals to 4 for theta less than 90 degrees. Okay, now given cos theta by 1 minus sin theta plus cos theta by 1 plus sin theta is equals to 4. Okay, now cos theta, we have to take the LCM here. What is LCM? 1 minus sin theta, 1 plus sin theta. We have to take this 1 minus sin theta, 1 plus sin theta. Here 1 minus sin theta, 1 minus sin theta is there now. This will get cancelled. Okay, you have to write cos theta, then this 1 plus sin theta you have to write, plus cos theta again you have to write. Here 1 plus sin theta is there now, so you have to write this 1 minus sin theta. Okay, 1 minus sin theta is equals to 4. Now cos theta again, now you have to write, you have to take this cos theta common. Now 1 plus sin theta plus 1 minus sin theta. Okay, now we are taking this cos theta common by, here 1 1s are 1, minus into plus is minus, this sin theta will become sin square theta is equals to 4. Okay, now this sin theta plus sin theta minus sin theta gets cancelled. Cos theta, 1 plus 1 is 2. Okay, here into is there now, you have to take into, cos theta into 2 by 1 minus sin square theta is cos square theta is equals to 4. Okay, now what you have to do, cos square theta is given here, here cos theta is given. Okay, one cos theta gets cancelled from this cos square theta and this cos theta gets cancelled. Now one cos theta is left. Now you have to take that one cos theta here. Okay, now 2 by cos theta is equals to 4. Okay, now you have to do cross multiplication. Cos theta 4 is equals to 2. Okay, now cos theta is equals to 2 by 4. This 4 you have to take here. 2 1s are 2 2s are 4. Cos theta is 1 by 2. If we take, instead of theta, if we take cos 60 degree, the answer will be 1 by 2 now. So here theta is 60 degree. As given in the question now, it should be less than 90 degree. 11th sum. If sec theta plus tan theta is equals to p, then show that p square minus 1 by p square plus 1 is equals to sin theta. What is the given here? Given is sec theta plus tan theta is equals to p. Okay, then we know that p is equals to sec theta plus tan theta. Okay, then we have to write p square minus 1. So p square means sec theta plus tan theta whole square minus 1. Again p square sec theta plus tan theta whole square plus 1. Okay, now we have to take here formula a plus b whole square. Here also a plus b whole square we are taking. A square means sec square theta, b square means tan square theta, 2ab means 2 sec theta tan theta, minus 1 by again sec square theta plus tan square theta plus 2 sec theta tan theta plus 1. Now we know that 1 plus tan square theta is equals to sec square theta. Okay, we know this identity. Okay, tan square theta is equals to sec square theta minus 1. You can take this plus 1 as minus 1. Then instead of sec square theta minus 1, you can take tan square theta. Tan square theta plus 2 sec theta tan theta by here instead of 1 plus tan square theta, you can take sec square theta. Okay, now sec square theta plus tan square theta plus 1 is sec square theta again plus 2 sec theta tan theta. Now 2 tan square theta plus 2 sec theta tan theta by 2 sec square theta plus 2 sec theta tan theta. Now you have to take 2 tan theta common here. Then you can write tan theta plus sec theta. Okay, 2 tan theta and tan theta is 2 tan square theta plus 2 tan theta sec theta. Here 2 tan theta sec theta is there now. We are taking 2 tan theta common. Here we have to take 2 sec theta common. If we are taking 2 sec theta common, then sec theta plus tan theta we have to take is equals to this tan theta plus sec theta plus tan theta. It is same now. It will get cancelled. This 2 gets cancelled. What will be the answer? Tan theta by sec theta. Now what is the tan theta? Tan theta is sin theta by cos theta. Okay. What is sec theta? Sec theta is 1 by cos theta. Okay. Now sin theta by cos theta into, we have to invert this. We can't take 1 by cos theta. Okay. If we are taking this, we have to invert this. Cos theta by 1. Okay. This cos theta gets cancelled. We have got the answer in sin theta. It is proved now. Hence it is proved. Now 12th sum show that cot square theta plus cot 4 theta is equals to 1 by sin 4 theta minus cos square theta. What is a given? Cot square theta plus cot 4 theta. We have to prove this. We have to get this answer 1 by sin 4 theta minus cosec square theta. We can take this cot 4 theta as 1 plus cot square theta. Okay, remember this also. Okay, this is one of the identity. You have to remember this. We can take cot 4 theta as 1 plus cot square theta. Okay, now cot square theta, instead of cot 4 theta, we are taking this 1 plus cot square theta. Okay, we know that 1 plus cot square theta is equals to cosec square theta. We know this now. We can take cot square theta is equals to cosec square theta minus 1. Okay, now cot square theta into 1 plus cot square theta is cosec square theta. Okay, now cosec square theta minus 1. Instead of cot square theta, we are taking cosec square theta minus 1. Only you have to remember these 3 steps and you can do whole sum. Okay, now cosec square theta. Okay, we can take cosec square theta. We can take this cosec square theta as cosec 4 theta. Okay, 2 2s are 4. Cosec 4 theta minus, okay, now cosec square theta. Okay, now 1 by what is 1 by sin theta? 1 by sin theta is cosec theta. So 1 by sin theta we are taking, but here 4 is given now, so we have to take sin 4 theta. Okay, cosec 4 theta, instead of cosec 4 theta we have to take 1 by sin 4 theta minus cosec square theta. Hence it is proved. We have got the answer. Okay, now next one, 13th one. Find cos 24 plus sin 60 minus tan 30 plus cot 60 minus sin 66. Okay, we don't know what is cos 24. Okay, we can take this cos 24 as 90 minus 24 as 90 minus 66. Okay, now what is cos 90 minus theta? It is sin theta. Instead of theta, what is given here? 66. So we are taking sin 66. What is cos 24? Sin 66. Sin 66 plus sin 60 is root 3 by 2 minus tan 30 is 1 by root 3 plus cot 60 is 1 by root 3 minus sin 66. These sin 66 plus sin 66 minus sin 66 gets cancelled. Plus 1 by root 3 minus 1 by root 3 gets cancelled. What is left here? Root 3 by